Hello and welcome. Let's look at Waec 2019 physics past question number 25. The maximum and minimum thermometer reads the A. Maximum temperature during the day and the minimum temperature at all times. B. Maximum temperature at night and minimum temperature during the day. C. Maximum temperature at night and minimum temperature during the day at all times. D. Maximum temperature during the day and minimum temperature at night from the last reset. Now, for us to understand this, we need to know the definition of the maximum and minimum thermometer. What kind of thermometer is it? What is it used for? Now, the maximum and minimum thermometer is a type of liquid in gas thermometer used by weathermen in meteorological stations to record the temperature for the day, maximum temperature during the day, and minimum temperature during the night. That's what it does. So we can comfortably say that the maximum and minimum thermometer is a type of liquid in glass thermometer used by weathermen. So people that work in the weather stations. So it is used by weathermen in meteorological stations. Meteorological. That's people that are in charge of knowing how the weather goes. Meteorological stations to record temperatures for the day. To record temperatures for the day. So in essence, they are recording maximum temperature during the day. So the maximum is recorded during the day and minimum temperatures during the night. So that is what a maximum and minimum temperature does. So you can see that D is the right option. Maximum temperature during the day, minimum temperature during the night. So that makes D the answer to the question. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.